the mother of all Philippine festivals. Hi! Viva Senior Santo Niño!
Viva!
I'm Toto Lau from Calibo, member of Brotherhood Society of Calibo, which that's our organization. It's founded in 1970. About Ati-Atihang, everybody knows this is the famous festival in the world, and they tag it also as the mother of all Philippine festivals. Now, and it happens every third week of January, the highlights. This year, our beloved Mayor Juris Socro prepared a lot of beautiful and surprising activities for everybody to enjoy it. So I hope everyone can come here every year, especially if you are Filipino or Aklanon or Kalibunhon. Make it a habit, make it a panaad. This is the once in a lifetime experience, and once you feel that the experience and the vibration of the Santo Niño Atatian Festival, the Calibo, well, that will be an experience you will never forget in your lifetime. So I hope to see you next year. And Viva kay Senior Santo Niño!
Viva!